Cleanse and detox liver by raisin water in 4 days naturally at home. We explain how to naturally detox your liver using raisin water in this article. In actuality, the Indians have been using this traditional treatment for hundreds of years. As it turns out, dietitians have examined this straightforward recipe and have explained the benefit. Biochemical process in raisins juice helps the liver. Effective in removing toxins from the blood. Soaking raisins facilitates the release of antioxidants, lowers blood sugar, and which help it force the poisons out of your bloodstream. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel before we start. Additionally, enable notifications so you won't miss any of our newest articles or videos. Benefits of drinking raisin water. 1. A natural source of antioxidants. By cleansing the liver of harmful toxins and defending it from free radical activity, the antioxidants and bioflavonoids present in raisins water help to accelerate the liver's normal functions. 2. Rich in iron. Compared to other fruits and vegetables that are high in iron, raisins have a significantly higher iron concentration. You can prevent iron deficiency anemia by including raisins in your diet on a regular basis. 3. Rich in calcium and iron. By raising our calcium intake, we support bone health and defend against diseases like osteoporosis. Additionally, raisins contain boron, which facilitates the metabolism of calcium. 4. Excellent for digestive system. Raisins fiber aids in the removal of toxins and toxic substances from the digestive system. This can shield patients from bacterial development, digestive illnesses, and uncomfortable bloating. Raisin water's nutrients prompt the body to release stomach acids, which aid in the digestion and absorption of food's nutrients. The instrument of making raisin water to detox liver naturally. You will need organic raisins. Choose dark raisins 250 g, 8.8 ounces. Water, 750 milliliters, 3 cups. Bottle to store. How to make raisin water to detox the liver. 1. Thoroughly rinse raisins in water. 2. Add to a saucepan and add 1 liter of fresh water. 3. Bring to the boil, then simmer for 20 minutes. 4. Remove the pan and leave the raisins to soak overnight. 5. The next morning, strain off the water and decant into a bottle. How to choose right raisin. Be careful when selecting your raisins. Choose raisins with a deeper hue, and neither too soft nor firm. Make sure the raisins are tidy and entire. Duration to follow the treatment. Drink around 150–200 milliliters every morning. Over 4 days on an empty stomach. Wait 30–35 minutes before eating breakfast. It was simple to continue moving forward because the water is pleasant and sweet. To improve digestion and boost vitality, it is advised to adhere to this treatment for just 4 days once a month. This cleanse would be appropriate for you if your digestion feels sluggish, painful, or heavy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.